Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you might need to transfer your BNB from your Arculus wallet to XMO for trading or withdrawals. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through this step by step. It's a straightforward process, but always remember to prioritize security to protect your assets. First things first, make sure you have both your Arculus wallet set up and an XMO account verified. Arculus is a secure hardware wallet, perfect for storing BNB, while XMO is a popular exchange for buying and selling crypto. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open your Arculus wallet app or device and ensure it's connected to your computer or mobile. Navigate to your BNB holdings. Look for the BNB icon in your wallet dashboard. Double-check that you're on the correct network, like the BNB Smart Chain, to avoid any transfer errors. Step 2. Head over to your XMO account. Log in securely and go to the deposit section. Select BNB from the list of cryptocurrencies. XMO will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy this address carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Pro tip: always verify the address by pasting it back into a note to ensure there are no typos. Step 3. Back in your Arculus wallet, select the Send or Transfer option for BNB. Paste the XMO deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer, but remember to leave enough for network fees. Those can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Review everything twice before hitting confirm. Once you confirm, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. This might take a few minutes, so keep an eye on your Arculus wallet for confirmation notifications. Step 4. Check your XMO account to see when the BNB arrives. It should show up in your balance shortly after the network confirms it. A quick word of caution: crypto transfers are irreversible, so always double-check details to prevent losses. Also, be aware of any updated fees or regulations in 2025. The crypto landscape changes fast. If you run into issues, reach out to Arculus or XMO support. And there you have it. That's how you transfer BNB from Arculus to XMO in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.